we've got a question here then that is using some language. It says simplify, which basically means make shorter, write less. So we look at the statements, the expression here, and we can see that there's some like terms. We've got 13x's plus 17x's, which makes a total of 30x's. And then we've got take away 24y plus 14y. Well, what we've got to think of here is that this is the same as saying 14y's take away 24y's. So 14 take away 24 is negative 10, and we're talking about y, so it's negative 10y. So these are the two that we combine together to make the final answer of 30x take away 10y. So the key thing with simplifying is keep the operations with the term to the right. So this is a positive 13x, this is plus more 17x's, this is take away 24y's, and this is 14 positive though. So we're doing 14 positive take away 24, that's why I ended up with negative 10y. This one says solve, and solve really means rearrange until you get x on its own and you get a value here. So the first thing we're going to do is expand the brackets so that we can get all the x's together. So expanding brackets, then we do 6 lots of 1 and then 6 lots of that. So we've got 6 lots of 1 is 6, 6 lots of negative 2x, take away 2x is take away 12x. Here we've got to be really careful because we've got a take away sign, and we've got to be careful that we use that in combination with the plus sign properly. So I personally think of this as negative 3 times x, which is negative 3x, and I think of this as negative 3 times positive 1, which is negative 3. A negative times a positive makes a negative answer. It's equal to 0. Now we can bring like terms together. So we've got 6 take away 3, and then we've got take away 12x, take away 3 more x's, which takes us down to negative 15x, or take away 15x. And then we solve in the usual way. We prefer positive x's, so I'm going to add 15x to both sides. That'll give me 3 is equal to 15 x's. I just want one of those x's. This is 15 times, so the opposite of timesing is dividing. So we're going to divide by 15, and 3 divided by 15 is 1/5. 3 over 15. 3 divided by 15 cancels to 1/5. 15 divided by 15 is 1, so we're left with 1x, which is what we wanted. So on our answer line, x equals 1/5. So a quick run through of the solve equation and a simplifying an expression.